follow, calm down. If you ain't about that fire, you ain't in it for about with that drag, ain't about that. Like I say, I'm not giving a
I know you tell me. What's going on?
Ain't nothing going on.
All right, what are you doing on this property?
Same reason with the life that you got up in here.
What?
Same reason what you got a life up in here.
That makes no sense.
Same reason what you got a life up in here. I've been here all in what it is, but we can care less about what that blue is.
Okay, what is your ID? I need your ID.
We don't need no ID. You can add that in for what they use.
I need your ID.
You can type that in for what my name anyway is.
Okay, I need your ID.
I don't have an ID.
Then tell me that.
We already been said that.
No, you didn't.
Anyway.
What's your first name?
Yup.
What's your last name? What's your middle name?
You.
What's your date? Well, you got calls that you're like screaming. You alright?
You can go about alright anyway, you. Go run about some other they already got kids years.
What's your name?
Like I already talking about what the police that already had called y'all last night here. So at the end of the day, y'all ain't looking for who called y'all last night here. So we not worried about what that sign is because last time I checked, I'm way over this line and it ain't got nothing to do with them planes is. So we don't care about who had called y'all last night. So anyway, so y'all can go.
Technically, you're in violation of Florida Statute 81009, which is trespass after warning.
We not worried about what that sign is.
Well, I am, because you could go to jail right this second.
I don't give a fuck about your
right
in jail, bro.
Okay.
We don't give a fuck about your dumpy jail.
You got somewhere you need
I'm about prison like I'm a 55 by 25 count. Anyway, but I'm 30 anyway in this hole.
Hey,
I'm 30 anyway in this hole. You will take them shades down. I'm not giving a fuck who you is. So you can go to hell about all that is.
Why are we here?
I don't give a fuck you here. You over here about other dumpy ass that called your ass.
I'm here because of you.
Calm down.
I'm not giving a fuck, calm down. If you ain't about that fire, you ain't in it for about with that drag, ain't about that jail
You're
line.
pointing your finger at me like that again.
Like I say, I'm not giving a fuck who you is.
Stop. What's wrong
Like
with
I
you?
said,
What are you
y'all
doing?
dumpy.
What are you doing?
Y'all dumpy.
What are you doing?
Y'all dumpy. 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 You can go to hell about for the orange dumpy. You can go to hell about for the orange dumpy. You can go to hell about double for the orange dumpy.
Why are you doing this?
You a dumpy animal. You a dumpy animal. We don't give a fuck what race you is.
Good.
We don't give a fuck about what race you is. We don't give a fuck what race you is.
No.
Right, what's up? What's up? What's up? I don't give a fuck who you is.
What are we doing here?
Right, what up you doing? You a dumpy ass cracker. You a dumpy.
Let go.
Be about God in here. Be about God in here.
Let go.
Be about God in here. You ain't red. You ain't red.
Can you stop?
You ain't red.
Oh,
You ain't red.
you're about to get tased.
Red.
You're about to get tased. Stop.
You ain't about that. You ain't about that.
What are we doing?
You a dumpy ass cracker. You a dumpy ass cracker. You a dumpy ass cracker. I see on this the way I is.
Stop. Kick him again, you're gonna get tased. Kick him again, you're gonna get tased. Kick him again, you're gonna get tased.
You a you a ain't no way I got about them coats. You ain't about them coats. You ain't about them coats. You ain't about them coats.
Enough.
You ain't about that coat. You ain't about them cracker all blue.
What are you doing?
Be like I said, you ain't about that.
Enough.
You ain't about beat your blood down.
No, you didn't.
I already beat your blood down. I already beat your blood down. You a duppy. You a duppy. We don't give a fuck who you is. You a duppy.
Just stop.
You a duppy. You a duppy.
She's never like this.
You a duppy.
Stop.
I don't give a fuck who you is. I don't give a fuck who none of y'all
Go
is.
down at 1. She's too little.
Anyway, like still tasing, like you were tasing, like you still had cup nothing. So anyway, we don't give a fuck what you drag up on that hole anyway, yo.
Stop.
We don't give a fuck who you will.
You're never like
Anyway, bitch, shut up. I don't give a fuck you a white or a docile in that hole. You a duppy. You a duppy.
Yeah, we're gonna have to bring it down to 1.
Why are you fighting that? I didn't ask for that.
Bitch, shut up.
Well, instead of taking that off, why don't we just...
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Pop it.
I ain't about that tail, like, bitch, my arm was still out of there.
There you go.
Man, head fuck you, bitch, don't give a fuck by none of y'all.
Got me
fucking
over?
ass. No, all that and straight through your pocket, you. So at the end of the day, your pocket thing still about that bad, like.
She's trying to kick you.
She did kick you.
She did kick you?
Yes. I'm gonna charge her with that. I'm gonna charge her with that.
Alright, with.
Or with it.
Fake ass car about some pussy ass like you got, you know. Anyway.
It's a female officer.
Anyway.
We need a man.
Anyway.
Stop.
Anyway. Anyway.
Might put a hobble over it. Yeah.
Hey, do you have a hobble? Let me get a hobble. Yeah, I got it.
Let go of the cuffs. Dude. She's about to get dry, so.
Knock it off.
About you a straining.
That's fine.
Why am I nuts?
She just kicked him, yeah.
Shit hurt.
Yeah, she just kicked him.
I don't give a fuck you straining my blood either.
Oh, that hurt. My nuts.
Step back. You're right. Step back. For what?
She's never acted like this,
For
ever.
a simple trespass?
Bitch, I been there all y'all pussy ass cock head like.
If you want to go to jail, that's fine.
No, you're going. That's happening.
Get me out this fucking car!
No.
You good?
You a weak ass cocker, still will hold it up you. Dumpy ass.
Alright.
Dumpy ass.
You're done. Just relax.
I don't give a fuck who you will.
Okay. We're not even talking anymore.
Like I said, I don't give a fuck who none of y'all is. Stay about real, your crocodile. You a cockatoo. You a cockatoo. You a cockatoo.
What are we doing?
You ain't about going right, and we don't give a fuck that shit you. We don't give a fuck about who you will.
You've never
We don't give a fuck who you will. And like I said, who called you? We don't give a fuck about who called you. We don't give a fuck about who called you. Smell door and every day I go. We don't give a fuck who you will.
I have one. Yeah.
I can't find one. You want to take
Switch
this
out.
spot? And...
You a deal, Leo.
Yeah, can you pick her up a little bit?
You a deal, Leo. What is weak ass dog? Deal. Weak ass dog. Weak ass deal.
92 in Klein. A paint bucket fell in the roadway. A 5-gallon bucket of paint. Cars were swerving to avoid it.
Alright, do you want to put her in there just until...
Trespassers.
Or you want to
Weak
leave her out?
ass dog, Leo.
I don't know why.
Like I
He's reaching
said.
around front.
Yeah, just hold on to her.
Stop talking like you in for bot then. Already beat y'all ass
Heather's
somewhere
When we were talking to
anyway.
her, she kept doing this too.
Yeah.
And then she did this to me twice.
Anyway,
That's
I'm
what
in
we
your
did to
face
Taylor.
just like what it is.
That's what she kicked.
Anyway, I'm in your face about what it is. All that dumpy ass macaroni. I y'all pop up by that side.
Well, it's just so you don't kick us
You
anymore.
gotta sit up or down.
Oh, yeah. She's already kicked him in the
We don't
non-circuit
give a
area.
fuck by car, bitch.
She's still trying to get out of the hobble, but she was pulling towards her left side really hard, and then she was making a finger gun to them. So we just want to make sure she doesn't have
Anyway,
a
we
gun.
don't got no draw, bitch. We don't got no draw. Anyway, stay going to Dominator Hill. Stay going to Dominator Hill. Anyway, you checking it for what private is, ho? Out
Take
at
her
you.
shoes off.
I think
Okay.
T will. When we take that hobble off, she's gonna start kicking again.
We don't give a fuck none of that. Once you pick up, once you pick up, right, anyway, yo. Right, y'all go pick up right, oh, put that ass back in here. Right, 63, watch your pussy ass through you. Anyway, a real head and all. Anyway, you my bitch, I ain't ever gave about your pants right here, ho. Why am I crack like a bad?
Is she really?
Nah, man, crack a fool bad in you.
I can put her on a tongue for you.
It's up to you. She's already kicked it.
We don't go a anyway, yo.
Gotta get,
Whatever you think.
I gotta give her a way to hold herself.
Y'all definitely put a horn out at you.
Let me go get that. I got that.
You ain't about no bad life. You ain't about no bad life.